What's good, YouTube? I hope you're doing good. I hope that you're making profits. I hope that you withdrawing them profits and not giving them back to the market. I'm sorry I've been late on posting and haven't been posting as much as I said I was going to. We started the 30-day lab in the community, so I've been kind of maintaining focus with that and trying to make sure I get everything answered there. And there's still some things that I'm updating in the course that I want to get done in the course. Update about the course. There is a 24-hour free access to the course, so go check it out. You can see if it adds value. Check out some of the videos, see if you can gain something from it. Just look around, see if you like it, But anyways, we're going to get right into it. What we're going to talk about today is the Heikin-Ashi candle and the moving average. We're going to use this as a strategy. You can call it the Heikin-Ashi EMA strategy. Very simple, very easy, and it's so simple and so easy. You can actually add it to your own strategy that you already have and have just a beautiful confluence that goes hand in hand together. And when I say it goes hand in hand together, Heikin-Ashi is showing us the average price movement, okay? And we can utilize that information and have the EMA, which the EMA is showing us the weight of price average, and it adds to the Heikin-Ashi. Remember, they go hand in hand. Heikin-Ashi is showing us price movement average, and the EMA is showing us the weight of the average. So they go hand in hand together. They're both showing us averages. Okay, think about this. Now, when you add them to a trend, because the Heikin-Ashi gives you the ability to see trends very easy, understand what's going on in the market versus having a bunch of noise and trying to chase a bunch of candlestick patterns and all that. Heikin-Ashi just makes seeing market patterns and seeing zones and seeing where prices come to and see who has control of the market, where's the momentum going, and it makes things a lot easier to see. And we can add that with the EMA, and now we got our own little strategy that we can snipe these trends and just start collecting profits and withdrawing the profits. Okay, so let's just jump over to the charts real quick. All right, so the best time frames to really kind of utilize the EMA. First, let's actually talk about the EMA that we're utilizing. We are utilizing a 20-period EMA. The moving average, we set it to EMA, and the size or the period, we set it to 20, okay? And the reason why I'm doing this is I just like it. It's tighter, and you could see price coming to it a lot better and not seeing a whole bunch of noise when it comes. We're utilizing it in the trend. So we like to have a nice little tight EMA. We're utilizing price action, and we have the Heikin-Ashi candles, which is showing us price movement. Think about it like this. If the Heikin-Ashi candle was the beautiful painting that we're looking at, the EMA is literally all them fine detailed brush strokes, them things that just make the masterpiece that much better, right? So that's how you got to look at it. That's why they go hand in hand. They're both showing you average movement of price, and when we utilize them together, it's kind of like going from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. But adding those together with that, boom, game over. Right there, it's just a game over. So when I say there's two good time frames to utilize this on, you can utilize this on the 15-second and the 30-second. You just got to be aware that price will go deeper into the EMA. It will bleed through the EMA a lot deeper, and it will look more like, hey, it's going to manipulate you to think that, oh, it's no longer a buy, it's a sell, when on the higher time frame is telling you, hey, it's a buy. The lower time frame is telling you to sell. Well, the higher time frame normally holds the most weight. So we got to understand what's going on in the higher time frame always. But let's go ahead and look at the 5-minute. The best time frames I like to use it on, and I'm going to kind of explain a little bit about why I use it on this time frame, is the 5-minute and the 1-minute. Sometimes I will drop down to the 30-second time frame, but that's after I have the understanding of what's going on the 1 minute time frame. Now, when I talk about price will bleed through and it will kind of have you thinking that it's going down, this is what I'm talking about. Let me get my pen out over here. Right here, if you look right here, see how price bled underneath that and it actually closed underneath that? That could have manipulated you to thinking that, hey, we're going for a sell. And some people are impulsive people. So when they get a close like this, because I'm an impulsive person, I used to do this, I would see the momentum of price and I would just take that sell because I think it's going down. When the best way to take this, if it does do something like this and price is no longer doing what your idea was and it's actually switching sentiment, you want to see price push down and give you some type of pullback, whether it's like that and goes, or price pushes down real hard and then gives you some type of pullback. We want to be taking the entry off some sort of pullback. You want the entry right here. That is your best trade. Okay. Now, we're not worried about that because when we look down on the lower time frames in the 30-second, we already have the understanding that, hey, on the 1 minute, we're still focused on it just retesting this EMA. Look, right here. Right here. You see how it did bleed through the EMA, but the bodies didn't close underneath the EMA, right? Look right here. Let's see again. Look. Look. Boom. Look at that. See that? So when you can just maintain focus and see clarity, it's way better than just trying to drop straight down to that 15-second or 30-second trying to get quick trades. Get an understanding and see it clearly and maintain that focus of, okay, I'm utilizing the 1 minute. I'm just down here on this 15-second and 30-second just trying to get a good sniper. We're utilizing this. We're trading the 1 minute time frame, what we're seeing on that 1 minute, but we're just down here at this lower time frame trying to get a better entry. Because when you see this, look, see how it's beautiful. That EMA is holding nice and strong. We had a nice push, retest. Price didn't break. Well, price broke. It was just bleeding, but it came back and didn't close underneath the EMA. And what happened? Once the EMA held, price got a nice push up, broke our level line. Boom. 1, 2, 3, cleared. 3-minute trade cleared. Easy smack. And you can see it clearer on the 1 minute time frame. When you get down to that, I think there's a dot there still. There we go. When you get down to that 15-second or that 30-second, look what happens. Price falls underneath the EMA. And some of you might be having that knowledge of, oh, that 200 EMA, when it's underneath the EMA, it's a sell. When it's above the EMA, it's a buy. I'm not utilizing it that way. I'm utilizing it as a retest, a confluence, and a confirmation to the trend that it's continuing, just like right here. When I'm looking at this, I'm looking for this move. I want price. I don't care that it's underneath here. As long as price don't come down here and make structure, I don't care that it's here. But I'm understanding on the 1 minute. I'm looking on the 1 minute, and we're still the EMA still holding. So we're utilizing this as our information. We're just down here trying to find the best entry, which the best entry is, let me put a box there. Right here. Your best entry is the pullback, your pocket. This is called a pocket. It's right above the structure that it just broke through, and we wanted to confirm that structure, which is what it did right here. And then we take the entry right when we get our level line break, or this is a beautiful confirmation to a hook pattern, because you have price come up and then it slowly pulls back and then it pushes real hard. I talk about this in the course. We utilize these things as a confluence to get the entry. So the best way to take this strategy is utilizing it in a trending market, and we utilize it to bounce off the EMA. Now, I'm going to see if I cannot get a trade real quick and kind of show you it in action. Okay. Okay, I'm digging this. I'm digging this right here. So on the 5 minute, we're breaking through with momentum coming down. So let's see what that 1 minute looks like. Okay, we just got a nice retest. Look how we got a retest here. Nice retest here. I'm actually about to take a 1 minute down. I'm not going to cap. I'm going to take a 1 minute down. And I'm pretty much targeting these down here. We already had a retest here, a retest here. EMA held. Our 1 minute, the EMA was holding. See? And then we went to that 5 minute. And we had momentum on our side, pushing down, coming to this zone here. See? Boom. Big smack. Just like that. Pop in and find it. I seen it on the 15-second too, but I wanted to kind of already explain it. You can see it held on the EMA too here. And these are the little bleed outs that I'm talking about. You'll see price, it'll be able to make the move, and it'll bleed out a little bit and make some structure, kind of just manipulating some traders that don't know what they're doing into taking a trade, and then it'll push down and it'll continue the trend. That was a nice smack for you. So let's see if we can't not find another one just real quick. Just showing you how easy and how simple it really is, and understanding what you. Here's a beautiful. This is going to be a good one too, probably. Okay. Okay, we had a nice strong push. EMA held on the 5 minute. Looks like we might be getting momentum on our side. All right, hold on now. Say we might have a sentiment change here. Let's just wait. Let's see. Let's just see. It's definitely looking like it's going to crash. See, understanding momentum, you get the course, you'll be able to understand this. The bigger the candle is, the more momentum behind it. And when candles start small and get bigger and bigger, that means there's a lot of momentum behind them. Now look, we're testing this EMA, so we're still holding on this EMA. And if we're looking for a crash down, a continuation down, what we're looking for is that breakthrough. Let me get my pencil. We're looking for that breakthrough and then a retest. That's your best trade. If you wanted to enter now, you'd have to be on the lower time frame. And you have to be on point. So if we're going to enter now, we kind of already got a nice little hook pattern. I talk about this in the course as well. But we have this area of interest is very important. It's been touched multiple times, and price has reacted pretty much every time that it's came to it. So super overextended. Let's see what's going on with that 1 minute. Okay, the 1 minute's going. 1 minute's going. Let's see if we can't not get a trade. It might be a little. Nah, I'm not even gonna risk it. Because look, reason why I'm not gonna risk it. Look, right here. What's that? Another zone. Look what price is doing. Coming, reacting. We're looking for something. If we're going to enter, we need a pullback. We need a pullback first. We need something. Price is too overextended. Look how overextended price is. See? Understanding the tendencies of the market, you understand when price is overextended, price needs to pull back, get some fresh air, and then continue to whatever direction it was going. But we don't know how long the exhaustion is going to be. See? Look over here. Look how long this exhaustion was. And then look how little the pullback was. So, and even when it pulled back, it didn't even continue down. It just broke. It even broke the lows, but then pushed right back up. So, understanding all of this and putting it all together is what really makes you a profitable trader. Now, if we get a nice little, nice little push off that, but we're trading, look. And I'm going to show you. Look, this is beautiful. Oh, we're taking this. we get a nice close. Let's get a nice close here. I'm going to take this down because boom. Why we take it down? We taking it down because that EMA is holding there. That EMA is holding there. That EMA is holding there. And the zone that we're looking for is here. Right here. That's where we're going, baby. Just right there. EMA held. Taking a 1 minute. Coming right down to there. Now remember, I just said advanced trading off of the but yeah, super simple, super easy. It ain't over yet though. You ain't a winner till that trade closes. You ain't a winner till that trade closes. So boom. There you go. Live right in your face. You seen the trades. You seen it happen. 2 smacks. You know, it is what it is. I hope that you could gain some value from this. I hope that you could utilize this information and go get some profits. Now, I don't want you to take this and think that this is the end-all, be-all strategy. Nah, use this. Get an understanding to it. Put it in your arsenal. Start building your arsenal up. Get a good understanding of what price is telling you. And if you need a good understanding of what price is telling you, go ahead, check out the course. 24-hour free access. You can check it out, see if it adds value. I'm telling you, it adds the value, but I'm going to let it speak for itself. With that, I hope that you can get some profits. And when you get the profits, go withdraw them profits. Don't forget to do that. But, yeah, if you do get the course, I'll see you in the 30-day lab. If not, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification so you can know when I'm dropping these videos, because I'm going to start dropping twice a week. Just let me get in this routine of this 30-day lab. But I'm definitely going to keep giving you some fire content, and I'm gonna keep dropping gems on you, and I hope that you writing them down, because boy, I'm giving you the sauce. It's just with the community, you get the ability to ask and get the best understanding for it, and the course, you know, you really get a good understanding for it. So with that being said, I'm Loughkey Bands. I appreciate you. I thank you, and I hope that you see profits. Hey, remember, less trades, more profits, baby. Peace.